think the way you have to think about is that for all these years, printer was only connected to the PCs. The way you want to think about is the content is now created, especially the web, is becoming a big deal. So for consumer and small and medium businesses, printing is becoming a platform to deliver web services. So it's kind of a platform which delivers all the services, and it can print. So the great thing about that strategy is that every printer that we ship has that kind of a capability. And for graphics and enterprise customers, you have to think about that it's all about solutions. So you saw all day today, we didn't talk about speeds and feeds. We didn't talk about page per minute. And we didn't talk about, because everybody assumes that printing is going to be high speed, it's going to be high quality. What we all talked about is what can you do with it? How a customer can really use this to the way, in this new world, people think about printing. So let me give you an analogy. The analogy would be, people were only thinking about phones as a communication device. But when the smartphones came, smartphones with which you could now connect to the web and you could do all these things that you never thought that a phone can do. Same way you want to think about it. The people in the past were thinking printer is just connected to a PC and you can print what you got in the content. Now printer can do all these things with the web. So that's the big story. The big story is that transforming a printer into a web connected a platform. That's the story. Yeah. So I think the focus for the Future Smart and open extendability platform is mainly the mid-market and the enterprise market.
Sure.
And what we want to do is, we want to have common user interface. So whenever you will walk to a Future Smart product, you will know that same interface is in a single function, same interface is in a multi-function printer. The second thing that we want to do is we want to have common firmware so that they all run the same common firmware. So there is information that will be what in the server versus what inside the printer is the same. And third thing then, on top of that, is this open extendability platform. That means we are going to open up all the APIs that our partners can write solutions to that. And I think that way, we are going to write some horizontal solutions, like the security, like how you capture the content. And then there are vertical solutions by vertical markets, like financial services. So you have an insurance process. How the insurance process today takes months, how can we do it in days? And how we can do consistently so that that process will be streamlined. Then healthcare. So how the healthcare paper-based processes are today versus how they're going to be done. Public sector. So what we are doing is having Future Smart and the open extendability platform will allow us consistent way of a user interface, consistent way of really driving the solutions. And the open extended platform allows them, all the partners, to understand how the API is done. So I really believe this will accelerate, just like the web is accelerating consumer and small and medium business web services. OXP and Future Smart will accelerate the solution development for HP products.